Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. Bullish Avalanche, AVAX, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $133.28 and $290.26 by 2030. Market examiners accept AVAX could reach $133.28 by 2025. Bearish Avalanche market cost expectation for 2022 is $23.69. Torrential slide, AVAX introduction. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of adaptability and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that considers genuinely decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a practical contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 PhD moves on from Cornell University. The Avalanche convention depends on research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to all the while accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is Avalanche, AVAX? Torrential slide is a layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for conveyed applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals tries to expel Ethereum as the most broadly utilized blockchain for brilliant agreements. While keeping up with versatility, it expects to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Torrential slide, AVAX fundamental analysis. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance, DeFi, and installments. Its primary point is to make these exchanges safer, effective, and available to everybody. The Avalanche network is based on 3 support points: security, dependability, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advancements, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up until this point, the stage has been exceptionally effective in drawing in clients and designers. Truth be told, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages, with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its shrewd agreements. There are a few justifications for why Avalanche could be a wise speculation. First, the group behind the venture is exceptionally capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the stage is continually advancing and adding new highlights that make it more appealing to clients. Third, Avalanche areas of strength 4 has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and dependability. The Avalanche network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the Federated Byzantine Agreement, FBA. FBA is a sort of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS. Torrential slide likewise has an extraordinary element called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can modify its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes Avalanche more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the principles of the whole organization. Torrential slide, AVAX Price Prediction 2022. Torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, AVAX. The AVAX cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $44.43. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $41.47 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. AVAX is supposed to have a base worth of $35.54. Torrential slide, AVAX Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Avalanche AVAX cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of AVAX will before long outperform $74.04. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the AVAX's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, AVAX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $59.24 and a typical exchanging cost of $65.16. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $103.66 and AVAX might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. AVAX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $94.78 and a low of $88.85 in 2024. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2025. On the off chance that Avalanche effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the AVAX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AVAX will be green in 2025. The AVAX is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $133.28, with a base cost of $118.47 and a typical cost of $124.40. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the AVAX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $154.01 by 2026, with a base cost of $148.09 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, AVAX has a greatest value worth of $162.90. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $183.63. On the off chance that AVAX figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $192.52. Neglecting to assemble the help AVAX needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $177.71. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 20.